Hi, today's video is all about the returned Samyang Anamorphic adapter and what I did to get it looked at, or in this case, spoiler alert, I got a replacement, the process and how I got on. And we're going to look at some images on this now with the 75mm, which I was having problems with, where 3/4 of the screen were always out of focus. And I don't mean anamorphic roll off, it was just always out of focus. Now I'm on the 24mm VAF lens. I'm actually going to switch to the 35mm VAF lens and put the anamorphic adapter on it. So we'll have a look what that looks like in the rest of the video. So now I'm on the 35mm on the anamorphic adapter, and this is about as close as I can get to it. So hopefully all good and in focus. I'm on T2.8 now because it actually works much better at a smaller aperture. My thoughts on the Samyang repair experience. It wasn't too bad actually, it was quite harmless. I wrote an email to Samyang after my last video on this adapter and let them know that I was having some problems with it. Didn't hear for a few days, and then I got an email back from them telling me to get in touch with a local repair centre. So I did. It's a company called Holden in the UK. So I contacted them via email, let them know the problem I was having, and we had a little bit of backwards and forwards, and they asked me to send it in as it's still under warranty. So I sent it back to them. In the meantime, Samyang actually came back to me. I'm not sure if they saw my last video and the problems I was having, but they informed me that they'd actually send me a new one. By this time I'd already sent it to Holden, so I got back in touch with them, let them know that Samyang would do that, but they said yeah, bring it in anyway, which I'd already sent, and they'd take a look at it. It took about a week or 2 weeks. They got back to me and they said okay, fine, we're going to send it back to you, and that was it. Pretty seamless. It's just a little bit backwards and forwards, emailing. Probably the biggest cost to me was sending the adapter. It cost me about £10 to send it to Holden. I didn't get a refund on that, but to be honest, I just wanted to get it repaired. But I was quite pleased that Samyang head office came back to me and said, look, we'll send you a new one, or at least came back to me in the first place. It did take a few days. There's a bit of a delay when contacting them, maybe 2 or 3 days at a time. I found the customer service experience not too bad. I've come across a lot worse in the past. So after, say, 3 weeks, I'll put the exact time on the screen now. They came back to me, they sent me this, and I'm pretty happy with it. There is a couple of things with it though. I found it's a bit scratchy when doing the focus. This one's a bit noisier and seems a bit cheaper than the one I got originally. I mean, okay, it's not that bad, but it's a slight difference. This one does feel a bit cheaper on the focusing, but they're not all the same. So that is slightly different. The look on this one actually I think looks a bit better, and it might be to do with the focusing issue, but using this one and focusing on it, I do find it a lot better. Much easier to use. It just seems this one seems a bit better. Something definitely with this, more experimenting with it and the time I've had with it. F4 to F8 are the sweet spots on this. Most of the videos you'll see playing while I'm doing this talking are using F4 to F8. Even now at F2.8, I'm thinking it's probably a little bit out of focus slightly. It looks like it's in focus. I'll find out when I'm editing this video. But overall, yeah, pretty happy with the Samyang experience. I wanted to put this video up just to say that it did get looked at. I wasn't pushed away, and I'm quite happy with it. So if you've had any problems with any Samyang products or any other company, and you can let me know your experiences with their customer services. I know there was problems recently with Sony with updates. I mean, I'm using a Sony camera now, but I always wait at least 10 days before I update anything. I come from the IT world, and that's just one of the golden rules. Never update anything straight away because you never know what problems you're going to have. Anyway, let me know. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope this might be helpful to someone. Let me know any experiences you've had with customer services or sending back products or anything like that. I'm really interested to hear. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you in the next one. Thank you, and bye-bye. I will add this last little bit. The image is really nice on this. I really enjoyed going out again shooting with it. It's fun, always fun to use anamorphics, always a fan. And this one is definitely fun. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.